Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have completed chapter 1 and chapter 2 of class 11. In today's video, we are going to start new chapter number 5, complex numbers. Okay. So, सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या चीज़ है, कैसे वो एग्जिस्टेंस में आए और इसके क्या यूजेस होंगे. ठीक है. सो कॉल करते हैं हम प्रीवियस नंबर्स के बारे में. आपने 8th क्लास और 10th क्लास में भी नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है, लाइक व्हाट आर रियल नंबर्स, व्हाट आर रेशनल नंबर्स एंड व्हाट आर इरेशनल नंबर्स. ओके. ऑल्सो यू हैव कंप्लीटेड चैप्टर 2 रिलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस. ओके. वहां पे जो फंक्शंस थे वो किस टाइप के थे? दीज आर ऑल रियल फंक्शंस. ओके. So in this chapter we will learn about new type of numbers which are complex numbers. Okay. So complex नाम से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Chapter is very easy. So देखते हैं complex numbers होते क्या हैं. वैसे तो इनको हम बोलते हैं father of all the numbers. Okay. So complex number is a that number which can be written in the form of a plus iota b. Okay. अब आपके माइंड में आएगा what is iota here and a b here. Okay. Here a b are real numbers and iota is root of -1. So ये एग्जिस्टेंस में कैसे आए? जब हमने ये चीज फेस की कि स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर इज नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके. जब तक हम सिर्फ रियल नंबर्स के बारे में जानते थे, हम ये कहते थे कि स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर इज नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके. सो ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करने के लिए आपके पास एक नया नंबर एग्जिस्टेंस में आया, रूट ऑफ -1. इसको हमने एक न्यू नाम दिया विच इज कॉल्ड आयोटा. दिस इज कॉल्ड आयोटा. सो इस चैप्टर में हम आयोटा के साथ डील करेंगे. ओके. हेयर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म a प्लस आयोटा b. जो नंबर आयोटा के साथ है उसको आप बोलते हो इमेजिनरी पार्ट. ओके. और जो नंबर आयोटा के बिना है उसे आप बोलते हो रियल पार्ट. ओके. सो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a प्लस आयोटा b वेयर a एंड b आर रियल नंबर्स. एंड व्हाट इज आयोटा? Iota is the square root of -1. Okay. एक definition क्या है complex number की? A number of the form a plus iota b where ab belongs to real and iota is equals to root of -1. इसको हमने imagine किया. Okay. And this form is called complex number and it is denoted by z. Okay. So z is equals to a plus iota b where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. अब इनको डिनोट कैसे करते हैं? a is real part of z, okay, and b is imaginary part of z. ठीक है. So let's take some example. z can be written as 3 plus 5 iota. This is example of a complex number. We can write many examples like 1. This is also a complex number. 1 plus 0 iota. Okay. 5 iota. This is also an example of complex numbers. Okay. So after the definition of complex number, we will do some remarks. Okay. So first remark is what if b is equals to 0? Okay. Complex number क्या है? a plus iota b where a b belongs to reals. Okay. अगर ये दोनों reals हैं तो what if b is equals to 0? If b is equals to 0, complex number will be only a where a belongs to reals. So this will be purely real number. Okay. If b is equals to 0, this will be purely real number. Okay. Second condition is if a is equals to 0. If we put a is equals to 0, z will be equals to iota b. Okay. This will be purely imaginary number because इसमें कोई भी real part नहीं है. Okay. If we have no real part, this is called purely imaginary number. If we have no imaginary part, this is called purely real number. Okay, if I ask some question from you, like tell me any number which is purely real and purely imaginary. Okay, so मुझे एक ऐसा नंबर बताओ जो कि प्योरली रियल भी हो और प्योरली इमेजिनरी भी हो. ये सो दिस विल बी 0. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि 0 को हम 0 प्लस 0 आयटा भी लिख सकते हैं और ओनली आयटा 0 भी. सो दिस इज प्योरली रियल, this is purely imaginary. Okay, so 0 is only number which is purely real as well as purely imaginary. Okay, so जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था कि रूट ऑफ -1 जो है दिस इज इक्वल्स टू आयोटा. ओके, सो अब देखते हैं इसकी पावर्स के बारे में. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द पावर्स ऑफ आयोटा. ओके, सो if iota is equals to root of -1, so after squaring we will get root of -1 square which is -1. Iota cube will be iota square into iota which will be minus of iota. And what is iota 4? This will be iota 4 iota square. This will be square of iota square which will be -1 square which is 1. Okay, so you can easily observe that value of iota is root of -1. अगर स्क्वायर करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू -1 आ जाएगी, क्यूब करने से माइनस आयोटा एंड 4 करने से 1. ओके, सो इन जनरल we can say that iota raised to power 4k is equals to 1. अगर iota is a multiple of 4 then answer will be 1. Okay, what about iota raised to power 4k plus 1? This will be iota 4k into iota which will be iota. Okay, iota 4k plus 2 is equals to iota 4k into iota square which will be -1. Iota 4k plus 3 will be iota 4k iota cube which will be iota cube which is minus iota. What about iota 4k plus 4? This is again a multiple of 4. So if power of iota is a multiple of 4 the answer will be 1. Okay, so ये साइकिल जो है वो चलता रहेगा. सिर्फ आपके पास ये 4 वैल्यूज आती हैं, 1 iota, -1 and minus iota, and it totally depends on the powers of iota. Okay, so if you have to find the value of iota raised to power 50, simply you will divide the power by 4. Okay, if we divide 50 by 4 what will we get? This will be iota raised to power 4 into 12 plus 2. By division algorithm we can write it like that. So this will be 1 dot iota square. So answer will be -1. Okay, so by this we can easily solve the powers of iota. Now let's discuss about exercise 5.1. Question number 1 is express each of the complex numbers given in exercises 1 to 10 in the form of a plus iota b. Okay, exercise 1 to 10 we have to write in the form of complex numbers. Okay, so let's discuss about question number 1. So it can be written as 5 into 3 by 5. Okay, and iota into minus iota. 5 and 5 will be cancelled out. This will be 3 minus 1 into iota square. 3 into -1 iota square is -1 which will be equals to 3. Okay, so you can clearly observe that this is purely real number and this can be written of the form 3 plus 0 iota. So this is a complex number. Okay, which is in the form of a plus iota b where a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 0. Second is iota raised to power 9 plus iota raised to power 90. So first of all we will write it in the form of iota raised to power 8 plus 1 plus iota raised to power 16 plus 3. Okay, so this will be iota 8 into iota plus iota 16 into iota cube. Okay. Why? Because we have to divide the power of iota by 4. Okay, and we will split it. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि iota raised to power 4k की वैल्यू हमेशा ही 1 आएगी. Okay, so this will be 1 into iota plus 1 into iota square into iota. So this will be iota plus minus 1 into iota. So this will be iota minus iota, which is 0. So this is purely real number as well as purely imaginary number. Okay, so this can be written as 0 plus iota 0. Okay, so it is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to 0 and b is also equals to 0. Okay, so now let's discuss about part 3, which is iota raised to power minus 39. Okay, so first of all we will write it like that. Iota raised to power minus 39 can be written as 1 over iota raised to power 39. Okay, after that we will divide 39 by 4. So this will be 36 and it can be written as iota raised to power 36 plus 3. Okay, so it can be written as iota raised to power 36 into iota cube. So this will be iota raised to power 4 raised to power 9 into iota square into iota. So this will be equals to 1 raised to power 9 into minus 1 into iota. Okay, so this will be equals to minus 1 by iota. But we have to write it in the form of a plus iota b. Okay, so कैसे करोगे? आप इसको न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को आयोटा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. What will we get? Minus iota over iota square. So iota square is a real number. Okay, क्योंकि इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? -1. Okay, so minus and minus will be cancel out. Answer will be only iota. Okay, so this can be written as 0 plus 1 iota, which is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. Okay, now let's discuss about question number 4, which is 3 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7. Okay, simply we will multiply it. 7 3s are 21 plus iota 21 plus iota 7 plus iota square 7. So this will be 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota minus 7. Okay, so real part is this and imaginary part is this. So answer will be 21 minus 7 is 14 plus iota 28, which is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to 14 and b is equals to 28. Number 5, 1 minus iota minus 1 plus 6 iota. This will be 1 minus iota minus plus minus iota 6. So answer will be 1 plus 1 2 and minus iota 7, which is of the form 2 plus iota minus 7, which is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 7. Now part 6, 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 4 plus iota 5 by 2. Okay, simply we will write it as 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 4 minus iota 5 by 2. If we separate real and imaginary parts, we will get 1 by 5 minus 4 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Okay, after solving this we will get 5, 1 minus 20 plus iota 10, 4 minus 25 equals to minus 19 by 5 plus iota minus of 21 by 10. Okay, which is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to minus 19 by 5 and b is equals to minus 21 by 10. Now what about question number 7? Simply we will solve it. This will be 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3. Okay. So real part plus real part. First of all, we will write it as 4 plus iota 1 by 3 minus plus 4 by 3 minus iota. Okay. So this will be equals to 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus real part and real part will be at 4 by 4. 4 plus 4 by 3 plus iota 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. So this will be equals to 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 by 3 plus iota 1 minus 3 by 3. This will be equals to 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 16 by 3 minus 2 iota by 3. So if we add real parts, we will get 1 by 3 plus 16 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. After solving, we will get 17 by 3 plus iota 5 by 3, which is again of the form a plus iota b. Okay, where a is equals to 17 by 3 and b is equals to 5 by 3. Number 8, 1 minus iota raised to power 4. We all know that it can be written as 1 minus iota square raised to power 2. Okay, we will use the algebraic identity a minus b square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so after solving this, we will get 1 iota square is minus 1 minus 2 iota raised to power 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So this will be minus 2 iota square. This is equals to 4 iota square, which will be minus 4. Clearly this is again a purely real number, which can be written as minus 4 plus 0 iota. Okay, which is of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to minus 4 and b is equals to 0. Now we will discuss ninth question, 1 minus 3 plus 3 iota cube. We have to find the cube of complex number. Okay, we will again use the algebraic identity a plus b cube, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, so this will be equals to 1 by 3 cube plus 3 iota cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3 iota 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. Okay, so this will be equals to 1 by 27. This will be equals to 27 iota cube. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. So this will be equals to 3 iota 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. Okay. So now we will deal with the powers of iota. So we all know that iota cube is equals to minus iota. Okay. So this will be 3 iota into 1 by 3 plus 3 iota into 3 iota. Okay. After solving this, we will get 1 by 27 minus 27 iota. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. This will be iota and this will be 9 iota square. So this is equals to 1 by 27 minus 26 iota minus 9. Okay. 1 by 27 minus 9 plus minus 26 iota. Okay. After 27 9s are 63, 9 to the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is 1 minus 243 by 27 plus minus 26 iota. So this is equals to minus 242 by 27 plus iota minus 26, which is again of the form a plus iota b, where a is equals to minus 242 by 27 and b is equals to minus of 26. Now last part of question 1 is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 iota cube. Okay, we will again use the identity, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a minus a plus b. Okay, so this will be equals to minus 2 cube plus minus 1 by 3 iota cube plus minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1 by 3 iota minus 2 minus 1 by 3 iota. Okay, so this will be minus 8 plus minus 1 by 27 iota cube. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, minus and minus will be cancelled out. This will be plus 2 iota minus 2 minus 1 by 3 iota. Okay, so this is equals to minus 8 minus 1 by 27 iota cube is minus of iota. Okay, iota cube is equals to minus of iota. So after solving this, we will get minus of 4 iota minus of 2 by 3 iota square. Okay, so we will get minus 8 plus 1 by 27 iota minus 4 iota plus 2 by 3, because iota square is minus 1 and minus will be plus. Now we will separate the real and imaginary parts. So this is real part and this is imaginary part. 1 by 27 minus 4. Okay. So now we will solve this. We will get minus 24 plus 2 by 3. Okay. And imaginary part is 27 fours are 108 and this will be 1 minus 108. Okay, so this is equals to minus 22 by 3 plus iota minus 107 by 4, which is again of the form a plus iota b. Okay, where a is equals to minus 22 by 3 and b is equals to minus 107 by 4. So students, that's all about this lecture. In the next video, we will do some more concepts of complex numbers and complete exercise 5.1. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.